You know that moment when chicken breast tries to headline dinner again? I wanted a weeknight protein my kid would actually cheer for, so I let citrus, garlic, and the Crockpot do the heavy lifting. Result: lazy AF carne asada, 25 grams of protein per serving, tender, taco night ready, zero grill drama. Welcome to Hungry AF. I'm Jen Fast, and I love to eat, but I'm also trying to feed a family, stay on budget, and stick to my high protein, low fat, and low carb macros. Let's see what I can do with this classic comfort food dish. First, let's make the marinade. In a small bowl, whisk orange juice, lime juice, soy sauce or coconut aminos, garlic, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, black pepper, salt, and oregano until combined. Load the slow cooker, place 2 pounds of flank or skirt steak in the slow cooker and pour the marinade over, turning to coat both sides. Press the meat down so it's mostly submerged. Optional. Add cilantro now for a deeper infused flavor, or save it for a fresh finish. Cook low and slow. Cover and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or high for 3 to 4 hours until fork tender. You'll know it's done when a fork slides in easily and the meat shreds with light pressure. Transfer the steak to a cutting board and rest 5 to 10 minutes. For slices, cut against the grain into thin strips. For shredded, use 2 forks to shred. Serve it my favorite way, taco style. Do you need more serving ideas? I've got you covered. Serve over brown rice or cauliflower rice as a bowl, in a salad, as burritos, in sandwiches, or as quesadillas. You can even turn it into a stew by adding a couple of cups of beef broth, potatoes, and carrots. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination and taste buds. Head over to jfriedmanfast.com for the full recipe, macros, and a free downloadable recipe card. Until next time, stay hungry AF.